Vámonos al infierno. ¡Hello! Yes, yeah. All right. Come on. Yeah. Sometimes I think this woman is kind of hot. Sometimes I think this woman is sometimes not. Put me down, fuck me around. What you doing to me? All the satisfaction, inhibition hits you. She made the way you should be. She made the love. She made us all the meal. She's gonna see it. Come my beer. Licks my ear. We got the devil in me. Yelling up our face to me. Oh yeah. Spend my money, drink my booze, stays all night. I gotta tell you, just a minute. Something ain't right. It's illusion. It's a great confusion. It made me wanna cry. I understand you. Play your games. Tell me no lies. Just gotta play your chicken, baby. I said anything to me. It's gonna hell. So you can say it's heavenly. Hell ain't not my place to be. Wow! All right. Lay out the night, turn down the light. Closing over me. Break my heart, tears me apart. She's got the devil in me. Hell ain't not my place to be. Well, I was out on the track, looking for a treat, looking for thrills, to give me some gifts. Not how were you leaders? I shoot from the hip, I was pearl with a steel. Like a dog, yeah. I tried everything. I'm big and I'm tall. Everybody you're there. I can't stand up for you. You shoot from the hip. Stand up for you. You shoot from the hip. gonna shoot from here. Step up and live. Rock shoot, rock shoot. Yeah, yeah. Shoot from here. Stick it. Yeah, yeah. Yes, we're on the phone. California thing. We're gonna take down the bank. Can you feel my skin? Yeah, yeah. Just step up and live. Never shoot from here. Step up and live. Never shoot. ¿Hay vida al otro lado de este escenario?